Okay, so this is question 5, which some of you have got stuck on today. So I thought we'd go through it and see if I can show you how I would approach this problem. So it's given you two equations here. So the first thing you want to do is draw a table up so we can look at some of those values so that we can plot those lines in. Okay, if I'm looking at this first one here, y equals x plus 2. Okay, I've picked just a range of numbers. So I've gone from -2 all the way to 3. So let's find out what the y values would be. So y equals x, which is -2, plus 2. So we know that's going to be 0. Here, -1 plus 2 is going to be 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so I've now got my values for my first line. I can come over here and I can now plot that line onto my graph. So -2, 0, so here. And then I'm going to look for -1 and 1. Then 0, 2. 1, 3. 2, 4. And 3, 5. Okay, once I've got those plotted on, I can draw my line in. And label it. Okay, so that's the first one done. So now we're going to have a look at the second one. I'm going to change colour of pens. This one here. So we've got x plus y equals 3. Okay, I want to find out what y is. So the first thing I'm actually going to do this is rearrange my equation. Okay, so y equals 3 subtract x. Okay, so if I've got 3 and I subtract x, well, x here is -2. So then I've got, 3 subtract -2. So we know that would then become 5. Here I've got 3 subtract -1. So that would be 3. 3 subtract 0. Oh, hang on. Sorry. 3 subtract -1 will give me 4. 3 subtract 0 will give me 3. 3 subtract 1, 2. 3 subtract 2 is 1. 3 subtract 3 is 0. Okay, now that I've got all of those points, I can again plot them onto my graph over here. So -2 is going to be 5. That's up there. -1, 4. 0, 3. 2, 1. 3, 0. Okay, and now I can once again draw in that line and label it. Okay. Now at this point, to solve this graphically, I want to look at where these two lines here intersect. So I'm looking at the x value, which I can see is halfway between 0 and 1. So my x is equal to, that's not a very good pen, x is equal, they all seem to have run out, to 0.5, and y we can see is equal to 2.5. Okay, I hope that helps.